Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who follows this channel, and has seen quite a few videos in which I explained to you that before changing the MAP sensor or the MAF sensor, or the IAT sensor, it is advisable to clean the sensors, because in many cases, the problem that these sensors have is that they get dirty, and then the engine does not work well, and you have bought an electrical contact cleaner, you have put it on the MAF sensor, the flow meter, and you have realized that a layer of oil remains. Let's see. Those cleaners are useless. Those cleaners leave a protective layer, usually be oil, which is to avoid rust, and above all, to prevent dirt and moisture from entering the parts, but they are not useful for these sensors. You have to buy zero residue electrical contact cleaner. This does not leave any residue, no layer of oil, or anything like that, because if not, that will make the readings by the ECU, the car's computer, difficult. He asked me what cleaner I would recommend. The one we use the most, it is this one, the one you see there. I have taken a photo. This is Liquimoly, a MAF sensor cleaner. This is a zero residue cleaner. It leaves no residue and cleans very well, and it is quite economical. About 12 or 13 euros. You have them more expensive too, but you don't need to spend more money, one off. These cheap ones will work for you. It could be this same brand, or it could be another brand. They don't pay me to advertise this brand, but since you follow me on the channel, well, I tell you, well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.